Viruses reminds us of infection, suffering, diseases, ill health, anti-human. Zika virus, HIV virus, Ebola virus, rabies virus, influenza virus, and the most famous of them all, COVID-19, coronavirus. But did you know there are viruses which are helpful for the humans belonging to these biological entities of classification? Yes. So today, let's discuss of the advantages of the viruses to the humankind. This is Ashik Shetty and I welcome you to the Micrograsp. Viruses were described by Dmitry Ivanovsky in the year 1892 in his article as non-bacterial infectious agents found infecting tobacco plants. In the year 1898, Martinez was the one who discovered it as viruses. He discovered tobacco mosaic virus, which caused tobacco mosaic disease in the tobacco plants. Till now, there are around 6,000 species of viruses discovered and described in detail. The viruses on Earth has a capacity to exist in all types of ecosystems, and it's the most numerous amount of the biological entities compared with the rest of the microscopic organisms like bacteria, fungi, protozoans, yeast, etc. What are viruses? Viruses are those sub-microscopic infectious agents which can infect its host cells. So they don't have their replication of its own. So they require the mechanism of the host cell to replicate themselves. They do not have their biological metabolism. So what does the virus consist of? It consists of nucleic acid, nucleocapsid, and an envelope. Now, the nucleic acids are of two types again, DNA and RNA. It might be a single-stranded or a double-stranded. Nucleocapsid is made up of proteins, which covers the nucleic acid, and the envelope is made up of lipids, which also has a glycoproteins, which surrounds the complete virus structure. This allows the virus to attach to the host cells. Viruses can infect all living life forms present on Earth. It can infect plants, animals, insects, and also bacteria. Bacteriophages. These spidery looking viruses are termed as bacteriophages. Bacteriophages are also called as bacteria eaters because these are the viruses which infect bacteria. Now that is where an advantage kicks in. Bacteriophages or the phages can be used in food industry, in horticulture, and in counter-reacting biological bioweapons caused by the bacteria. Bacteriophages are specific in nature. They target specific bacteria. The bacteriophages can be used to target bacterial pathogens which are present in the processed foods. So in food industry, phages or the bacteriophages can be used to target and kill pathogenic bacteria like Listex. FDA has approved a phage named Listex which can attack and kill Listeria monocytogenes, a pathogenic bacteria which causes foodborne illness. Another phage called as the T4 bacteriophage which can be used to target E. coli O157 bacteria, which is a pathogenic bacteria. Bacteriophages can be also used to counter-react with the bioweapons. The bioweapons which has been created using the bacterial strain like anthrax. There are a lot of bacteria which causes infections in plants and the vegetables. So the phages can be used to react and kill these bacteria like Pectobacterium cautovorum, a soft rot which is caused in potato and lettuce, a bacteria called as Streptomyces scabies which causes common scab in potato and radish, Xanthomonas campestris is a bacterial spot disease which is found in tomatoes. The phages can be used to attack and reduce the infections caused by these bacteria. So those would be the advantages of the bacteriophages. The viruses are also known to infect humans. What if we could use this to our advantage? Don't be mistaken, guys. Viruses used to infect the human cancerous cells. Oncolytic viruses. Viruses can also be programmed to attack, infect and kill human cancerous cells. That is the oncolytic viruses. This is a new study under research. The term viruses were coined from Latin, which means to say poison or venom. Viruses are the smallest creatures in the microbiological world. They are submicroscopic. It means to say that the viruses are even smaller than bacteria. Around 500 million rhinoviruses can be assembled on a pinhead. Well, those were the advantages of the viruses, but the disadvantages are running around. We have seen a systemic rise of the COVID cases. So I urge you guys to use a face mask when you're going outside the house, to frequently wash your hands to greater than 30 seconds, to use a tissue paper or a folded arm when you sneeze or cough, to avoid the crowded places, maintain the social distancing. Please download the Arogya Setu app as instructed by our government. Hope you guys have liked our video. Please do share, subscribe and comment, and do press the bell icon. Also follow us on the Facebook page Micrograsp. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy guys. Bye.